In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Ads to Shopify. If you're ready to streamline your e-commerce advertising efforts, you're in the right place. We'll walk through the process step by step to make sure you can easily integrate these two powerful platforms. So let's get started. First, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. From there, set your sights on the settings option, which you can find in the bottom left corner of your dashboard. Clicking on this will lead you into the heart of your Shopify store's control panel, where you can manipulate various aspects of your online business. Once you're in settings, the next step is to navigate over to apps and sales channels. This is the section where you manage all the third-party integrations that help power your store. Find this option and click on it to start the process of adding Google to your repertoire of tools. Now look for the Shopify App Store button and click on it. This will whisk you away to Shopify's magical marketplace where countless apps are waiting, each designed to enhance your online store's functionality. It's at this stage that you start your search for the app we need. In the search bar at the App Store, type Google. As you press enter, you'll be presented with a list of apps. Look for the one labeled Google and YouTube, as this app facilitates the connection you want between Google Ads and your store. Having located the app, your next move is to click on it. This will take you to a page with more detailed information about the app, including user reviews, installation instructions, and a rundown of its features. Once you're on this page, you should see an Install button. Go ahead and click on that button to begin the installation. A prompt might appear asking for certain permissions, which are necessary for integrating with your Shopify store. Confirm these permissions and wait for the installation to complete. The installation might be in two parts. Another Install button might show up as the installation progresses, and you should click on this too. With the app successfully installed, your next task is to navigate through the app's setup process. You should now see an option to connect Google account. Click on this and you'll be directed to enter your Google account details. Choose the Google account you wish to use for your advertising. If prompted, make sure to grant the necessary permissions so Google can access your Shopify store data and vice versa. This connection is essential for syncing your ad campaigns with your store's products and analytics. And there you have it. Your Shopify and Google Ads account are now linked, allowing for a more cohesive and powerful marketing strategy. By integrating these platforms, you can now track customer behavior across both platforms, optimize your ad spend, and ultimately drive more sales to your online store. Stay tuned for more tutorials to help you master the art of e-commerce marketing. Thanks for watching and happy selling.